Hi, my name is Rakhi Kaur from Nestinya Property Group, and I'm very excited and wants to welcome you to this new house, 8 Felsite Cres Rouse Hill. Let's have a look. This home offers 5 generous bedrooms with 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 complete bathrooms and a modern floor plan for the growing families. Location is everything and this home delivers. You are just minutes away from Rouse Hill Town Centre, Televong Metro Station, quality schools, parks and everyday amenities. Whether you're searching for your new home or an investment in a thriving suburb like Rouse Hill, this property deserves your attention. We look forward to see you at our next open home.